Morning, everybody. Be right with you. Okay. Oh, good morning. Good morning. How was your all weekend? Everybody have a nice weekend? Everybody go do something, have a little fun. Here, let me flash my legal. I'm getting everything ready here. There you go. Have fun reading that. Let's see. We got live trading 11/20/23 Monday. Bitcoin 100 other plus symbols. I know we focused on about maybe 8 or 10 symbols, but the reality is I can trade anything that I can chart for you. So ask away if you guys ever want to know anything on a chart. Remember some guy came in here, asked about, was it Apple, I think? Told him everything perfectly. Then he never came back and thanked the system, thank God, whatever. It's kind of weird. Good morning, everyone. We are trading live today. Let's have some fun and maybe make a little along the way. All right, now we got to get the other. Let's see right here. Guess that's it. I don't think that's my whole thing though, but oh well, it'll work for now. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Be right with y'all. Sorry, trying to, as always, setting up for my video, so I have to do it after we're doing this. I believe that's the date. I believe we're good to go. All right, I think I can see everybody now. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Been having a good last couple of weeks, boy. Great last couple of weeks. All right, let me pause this. Oh, maybe don't let me pause that. Good morning, Bob. Number one, Bob. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, C Sport. Good morning, Guy Burger. Good morning, Erica. Good morning, Monique. Good morning, Wealth Creation Project. Good morning, Michael Stefani. Good morning, Billy. Good morning, Billy. Thank you, Billy. Good afternoon. Sorry, Billy. He's in the UK. Good morning, Stacy Ocho. Good morning, Marius Tar. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, Mr. Noble. Good morning, Nanaluka Leke Magwaza. Only 33 people. Wow. Okay. Well, I didn't miss many then. Let's see what's going on TikTok here. Good morning, Bob. Number one on both, Bob. Well, you on fire this morning, Bob. Good morning, Farm Guy. Good morning, James Bond. Good morning, Michael Mahoyhan. Good morning, David McKinsey. Good morning, Raider Trader. Good morning, Mr. Noble. Again. All right, I think we're solid on that. Yeah, I think we're golden. Oh, man, am I tired. Oh, fuck. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, I think you've seen that my legal disclaimer is up. Hopefully, you all caught the fact that I'm not a. Who would ever mistake me for a financial advisor analyst? I'm the complete opposite. Oh, well, people got to do what people got to do. All right, we'll be looking at a whole bunch of charts today. Quite frankly, I never updated my thing, but we do have a. It went down. Well, actually, technically, let's show you my thing here. Well, hold on. I'm getting digressed all over the damn place. All right, not. All right. Where do we start? You guys want me to read out the good morning, Afi. Yes, I'm well. Hope you are too, my friend. Good morning, David McKenzie. Again. And Michael Mohan again. Do y'all want me to read out the 12 symbols first or go over how to do the trades, how I do my trades? I don't care which. Half dozen, one or the other to me. Any Nadex calls. I can take that as a sign as Nadex. Yeah, you can do some knockouts for a buy stop on the Nadex, either US 30 NAS or SPX. I kind of got into one though already, and I'm in the money, so maybe a little late on the NAS. Or just wait, because let me make my call outs first. You want the 12 symbols first. Morning, Brian. All right, since you're the first one to speak up, Raider Trader, you get what you want. Easy as that. 12 symbols are first. Oil. UK and US oil, by the way, to be specific to you. Ooh. I mean, 1 minute, 5 minutes too late, 15 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop to the 15-minute blue line. UK, US oil. 1 minute buy stop, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. Yep, agreed with that. I'd play any of those, actually. Yeah. It's going to form not yet, though. It's going to form a 4-hour daily sell, but it's got to go all the way back up to this daily lines right there. Wait on that. XRP. 1 minute XRP. 5 minute XRP. 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. XRP. 5 minute. Buy stop to the 15-minute blue line. XRP. 1 hour, 4-hour sell stop to the 1 hour blue line. XRP. Weekly sell stop to the blue line. XRP. Monthly buy stop. Ethereum. 1 minute. Let me see Bitcoin. Ethereum. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Ethereum. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Ethereum. 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. Ethereum. One hour, 4-hour sell stop. Look at Ethereum go. You go, little Ethereum. Weekly sell, monthly buy Ethereum. Bitcoin, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Bitcoin. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. Bitcoin. Let it dip first. It's going to form a 15-minute, 1 hour buy later, but not now. 4-hour daily, 4-hour, 4-hour, 4-hour daily. 4-hour daily buy stop. Weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop, Bitcoin. GBP, JPY. 1 minute sell. It's already, oh, beautiful, to the 15-minute blue line. Wow, that was gorgeous. What is this, a 15-minute 1 hour? Yes. This is exactly, I don't know if Sid's with us this morning or busy coding, but we need this 15-minute 1 hour should be spotted a mile a fucking way. 15-minute 1 hour to the 15-minute blue line, 15-minute 1 hour sell stop. That was gorgeous. Good example of that GBP JPY, by the way. Anywho, GBP JPY 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. It's going to keep falling. That's a form of 4 hour daily buy. 4 hour daily buy, GBP JPY. UDSHF is the complete opposite of EUR USD. So whatever I call for one, I'm calling for the other. Look, EUR USD obvious was a buy, obvious was a sell. They're just opposites, and no one can explain that. They all try. I've been on here for over a year. No one can explain how that occurs other than the market's completely rigged. So whatever. EUR USD, 1 minute. Let me make sure we got something there. Yep, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. EUR USD. Hold on a second on that. Did it already hit it? If not, I'm going to jump into this with an option. Yep, I'm going to go ahead and go into my knockouts. Bippity boppity boo. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to my Forex. I'm going to go over to ERUSD. I'm just going to look for a nice short term, not long term anything. Strictly short term. Just want to get this shit done and out and over with. Negatives will have to be down here. That's all they're giving us is $73. What? Well, that seems a bit, because long term this thing's going to arch up, so I'll probably just do one of these. Might even do an opposite on that, make some money on that. Wow, that's pretty piss poor. Why are they, what? That seems odd. That seems really odd. I wonder why ERUSD is such a small movement like that. All right, ERUSD, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. ERUSD, 15-minute 1 hour buy. Let it pull down first, and it's going to arch back up. Or you could just put your buy stop over here on what it was, a 30-minute maybe? Nope, 15. You could put it right here on a buy. 15-minute 1 hour buy stop, EURUSD. 4 hour. Oh, that's why it's too late. It's all the way up. Yep, 1 hour. Yeah, it's going to go up to the 4 hour blue line. Then it's going to form a daily, weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line. I don't know if it ever went down and touched. Doesn't look like it ever did either. Kind of weird. Gold. 1 minute. Sell, I'm going to go ahead and say. Yeah, to the 5-minute blue line. 1 minute, 5-minute sell to the 15-minute blue line. Gold. It's another easier one right there. Hold on. Let me see the 30. 30-minute, 1 hour, 30. It's going to keep following. Can I get a short-term sell on that, though? Can we do a knockout on that? Can I do a short-term, very, 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 very short-term knockout? Because it's going to turn. It's going to form at 1 hour. Let me see the 1 hour. Nope. It's going to form a 4 hour. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily buy. 4 hour daily buy gold. Can we play this down, though? It's already fallen so much, just like ERUSD did the other. Oh, it's already so far down. I don't know. It's tempting as heck. I guess I'm going to pass on it. Fuck. All right. NAS, SPX, US 30. SPX, 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. 5-minute. 15-minute. Already did a buy. Oh, it already broke to 15-minute 1 hours? No, it did not. 15-minute, 30 minutes. Interesting. All right. Yeah. Have any of these hit yet? Hold on a second. See, they've just come up past there. Interesting. So we have US 30. So let's look. Well, I'll show you how I read this. Yeah, I would do 1 minute sell stops for NAS, SPX, US 30. At least short term, 1 minuters. And then you can look at the 30, 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour. It's a 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Again, they're just not close. I've said this a billion times. It's just not close enough to the yellow line. Yeah, then the 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. That's fine. That's all there is to that. So there's your call outs. All right, now let's go over how the trading works. Good morning, BHB, BH8. Actually, my BHB used to be my formulation for my rhabdomyosis. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, Al. Good morning, Affy. Good morning, Brian again and Raider Trader. Dervana Rana. Good morning. William Jones. Good morning, George Hyde. All right, those are the call outs. Hope y'all are happy. I'm $2 up on something. I don't know what the hell I'm up on. EURUSD. We'll see if we can pull that one off like a Tracy. Good morning, Antonio Johnson. All right. Whoa-wee. We got some merchandise up on a YouTube store. If anyone wants any of the stuff, any of the merch that we sell, feel free to head on over there. There we go. So how do we make these correct calls time and time again? How do we call out all these different symbols, by the way? Look at that. Okay. $665. Let me check my NAS real quick, see if I want to keep holding that. 1, 5, 15, 30, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, I'm going to hold it. We'll see how it rolls this week. I'm going to hold it. I got my take profit set. I'm good. Let me just see how much take profit this is at. 347. Weekly. Monthly. Damn. We should have been in down here like I was on gold. Fuck me. Let me see the monthly here in US 30. Yeah, not as clear, SPX. That's why it just goes to show you the safety trades with it. That's what you need right there. Look at that clear cut. Fuck me. All right. Anywho, 4 hour daily. Daily buy, daily buy, daily buy, 4 hour buy, fill in the gap, 4 hour buy, fill in the gap. Yeah, I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold it for the next few days. If it hits my take profit, so be it. I'm good with that. I got a sell going anyways right here. We'll lock this one in. Sell stop to the blue line. NAS and SPX are going to be in the money right now. There's only one way to know that they were going to do that. Well, besides the fact I called it out on Friday and again last night or yesterday afternoon, is that you need the scanner. But I'll go over that, how we do this right there. Okay. Look at it go down before your very eyes. Yep. In the money on NAS. What was it? About 6 pips right here. About 8. Mine's showing not quite 7 pips. Well, it should be right here. Let me see. Yeah, well, 7, 8 pips, whatever. Okay. So there you go. All right, let's go ahead and go over our rules. Good morning, Robel. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. I was utterly shocked to see how few people watched the last night or yesterday afternoon's YouTube video on my call outs. If I had to choose between the morning one and the evening one, I'd watch the evening one every time, but I guess I stand alone in that. All right, so let's see. How do we set up for these calls? How do I make the calls? How do we do the calls? Very, 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 very simple. It's a step-by-step process. First, do my prayer. Second, I do my Wim Hof breathing, which I actually did this one. I didn't lift, but I'll do that afterwards. Lift, cardio, cold baths, blah, 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 EWOT therapy, all that shit. And then I go ahead and look at my H&H scanner. So that's the first thing we're going to do. Let's pull this up right here. And let's go over to our H&H right here. So this is our scanner. You can clearly see it. Let me make it so seeable on TikTok too. You can clearly see that we have one red down spinning arrow. As soon as this occurred, as soon as that occurred, I'd be looking for the NAS and the SPX 1 minute sell stops. Whether or not they go down there was a little confusion, I think, too, even with my brother. I'm not saying, I called it the H&H scanner for horseshoes and hand grenades. I'm not saying these are going to go down and touch their blue lines. I'm going to go ahead and tell you that right now, just like it did for me, that when you make the call and you go in it, you are going to make money on those SPXs and NAS sells. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, so there's a difference. I'm not, just because US 30 went to its blue line doesn't mean the other two are going to go to their blue line. Right? I'm telling you that NAS and SPX will form sell stops or go towards its blue line, period. So whether or not they do touch it, I don't know. I do know that 99.99999% of the time, they'll make you money. So right now, this is the odd one out. 1 minute sell stop to the NAS SPX blue lines towards it. Maybe touch it, maybe not. The other way would be buy stops. This will then turn from red to green, or you'll see all three of these turn red. You'll see these three turn red or come close to turning red. Sell stop, 1 minute NAS SPX. It goes hand in hand where I'm saying let's pray for a closer pullback on the FAR, which means 1 minute sell stops, just so you know. That will form our 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops, which are already here. And then you'll see this turn back to green again and so on. But for the meantime, write it down. I have my take profits in place. I have 3 trades open, by the way. I think it's just a 3-2. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. I have just the 3 trades in place. Nothing else open. Yes. Okay, that's correct. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Robel, Larry Cooper, Antonio Johnson, and George Hyde again. Good morning, Pablo. How have you been, sir? What's up, Pablo? All right. So this is the 2 out of 3 or blue line scanner, H&H blue line scanner. First thing you do is you get up in the morning, say a prayer, thank God for everything. Next thing you do is do your Wim Hof breathing. Next thing you do is you look at this scanner. The scanner was a free gift from Bri and myself over to you guys. We charge $500 a month for it now, but it's included anytime anyone buys the sniper. It's included for free. Or if you want to buy the scanner room, it's also included for free. And there you go. How do you read it? As soon as this US 30 flipped to red, I immediately went over, purchased. There you go. Now we're at 10 pips. I went ahead and did my sell stop on NAS and SPX, but the only one I kept open is NAS. And we're up 10 pips on NAS right now. You can see that clearly. This is a NAS buy. This is a gold buy right here. Both are long-term. One's from October the 9th. And one's from Jamaica Christmas, over 2 weeks ago now on this NAS. But doesn't mean I can't play the NAS sell. I also do the same. It's called hedging, and U.S. brokers don't allow it. But there you go. Yes, I'm still in Eagle FX. Yes, it's still working. I have 0 problems with it. They're not accepting new clients. I pulled a lot of my money out the other day out of several accounts, a lot of my money. But I kept some money in, and I'm going to allow it to stay in. I'm not overly concerned at this point. They should give us a heads up if something's going to happen. So this is how you read the scanner. When this first one changes, look for the other 2. Now, you have 5 minute, blah, blah, blah. You can see these are all green. This is the odd one out. After this gets played out on the way down, and I will keep my trade sell stop all the way going for a long time, I will keep this going, period, 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 period. If this turns to red, awesome. If this turns to red, awesome. If these turn to red, 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 it needs to technically. I'd really like to see these pull back down here today, or this week anyways. And then once that happens, we'll be looking for some buy stops to flip back around. It's real pretty. It goes red, 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 and then it'll start filling. Then it will eventually, just like these were all red about 2 months ago, right? A month and a half ago. These were all red. Then they'll all flip around, start turning green, 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 green. It's just like it's the coolest little thing. It's really pretty when you record them. I showed you the recordings before, but it's really neat to see that in action. By the way, now we're up 15 pips. We were just at 6. Now we're at 15 pips on the trade. Gorgeous. I have my take profit for my 655 pips on my NAS. I have my take profit on my 123 ounces on gold. So I'm ready to take those out whenever they do hit those take profits. I'll be fine with that. All right. First, thank God. Second, touchdown in SPX. Oh, SPX hit its blue line. Let's take a look. Over here. Oh, we have SPX touchdown blue line. Thank you, Monique. There you go. There it is. So now we have SPX hit its blue line. Let me see if we can get this to... nope, let me grab this here. Maybe we can watch this change live. As the blue line happened, right here, let's take a look. Right here, it touched it. I was calling it down to the blue line for you right now. And there it is. I don't know if we can get it to go underneath. Oh, yep, we might be able to. And then, so SPX the second, you go, little SPX. I believe it was first. You'll see this right here turn to 2 red, and 1 green. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Here we go. There's your movement down. You're up 20 pips on NAS right now. Thanks to this scanner and this scanner alone, you'll see it flip right now. You'll see the change in our thing. I believe it caught it. Come on now. Hello. Why is it not updating? Come on, come on, come on. Update, update, update. Oh, come on. It had to be below it. What, at the last second it arched up? Oh, really? There we go. There's the switch. This is now what it looks like when 2 out of the 3 hit it. Again, we're waiting for NAS to go down. Let me pull up NAS over here and see. Again, this doesn't necessarily say it's going to touch the blue line, but look at it fall. Look at the call. Look at it fall. A 1 call, that's all. Better call Saul. Look at it. So this is it. So this is my NAS play right here. And that's the one I'm in right there. 17, 16, 17. It was at 20 pips a second ago. And there it is right there. That's live trading for you. All because when I first came on, that's what it showed. It showed the US 30. Does everybody understand or somewhat understand how to use the blue line H&H scanner? Yes. Put up 7s if you understand it, 9s if you don't. Good morning, Martar. Good morning, Sergio. Good morning, Pablo. Good morning, GP2. I'll wait for the people on it. Good morning, Annie Apple. 777s, Michelle. Okay. So that's how you read it. You're seeing it live, make money for you. Good morning, Tarson Black. Thank you for responding, Mr. Noble, Michael Stefani, and George Hyde. This is so weird to me. Every few months. Oh, well. What's up, Green Mountains H79? Good morning. Good morning, Little Joe. Okay. So I didn't see any 9, so I'm going to go ahead and keep going then. First step, thank God. Another day above ground. Lord help us. Thank you so much. Second step. Oh, I didn't know that was there. Do all your physical shit. Third step, you get up. This is the first thing you check is the scanner. We saw US 30 spinning 1 red down arrow. I said sell, stop, NAS, and SPX. Now we have SPX hit its red line, blue line with the red. Now these 2 both switched. Now we have 1. Then we're going to look for a third one for NAS. Doesn't matter. We're already up 17, 18, 20 pips on our NAS sell stop right here. Doop, 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 doop. There she blows. And that's all we're doing. Sooner or later, we'll see these turn to red over here. But in reality, what's going to eventually happen is you're going to see all these turn back to green later, probably around open, or unless they have some bullshit news in 45 minutes, which they just love their news. CPI, blah, 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 whatever BS they're throwing out this morning. We'll make a shit ton of money if they are anyways. It doesn't matter. But that's how you do it. Doop, 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 doop. And then that's your first step. So we go from there. What happens after that? Well, what happens after that? We open up our 1 hour. And we look at a 1 hour chart. So let's go ahead and look at our 1 hour charts. What do we see on our 1 hour charts right here? What is this that we see right here on NAS? What is this we see right here on US 30? I want everybody to respond. Sell stop, buy stop, or nothing. What do we see right here? What is this right here? Sell stops, buy stops, or nothing. Good morning. No news today. Thank you, Martar. Good morning, Jay Parker. Thank you, Pablo. It's not a buy. Incorrect, Steve. Incorrect, Little Joe. Michelle Glowinski got it right. Johan Soaz got it right. Timothy got it wrong. Amy Lou got it wrong. Mr. Noble got it wrong. Mr. Noble got it right. Mr. Noble got it right. Erica got it wrong. Evan got it right. Adam got it right. Antonio Johnson got it wrong. J Flo got it right. These are called buy stops. Buy stops are not buys. They're buy stops. Be clear on that. We don't do market orders here. Please remember that. Oh, they're buy stops, but they're going down. Well, let's take a look at something. I want you all to be understanding of what's happening in this world. This is US 30 world, right? So our logo, let's just go over what it happens. Logo comes over, comes up, comes down. Well, actually does it. Hold on. Let's do it a couple times here. Let's give fair credit where fair credit is due. Comes up, retraces here and goes 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 up. Well, we have a Bach break right here. Retraces here and goes up. Okay. So that's the very, let's see how many times. One, fill in the gap, 2, 3, 4 times. So it's already happened 4 times. Sorry, buy stops. I've done buy stops. I don't even know what a market order is. Thank you, Amy Lou. I got you. It's just I'm trying to get you guys to be clear on the differentials between what we're doing, what everybody else does. That's all. So now here we go. Now it reforms right here again. So our logo starts below, told to go up, retraces, 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 and goes up, retraces. So we've already had 4 times. Now we're at 5, 6, 7 times. 7 times it's gone up. Is the first time 7 for yes, 9 for no? Is the first time it forms the best? 7 for yes, 9 for no. You guys didn't know you were going to get quiz this morning on Monday morning, did you? Annie Apple buy stop, correct. Steve, correct. Sleepy Doc, correct. David McKenzie, correct. Michelle Glency. So the first time it happens is the best. We're on our 7th time of this happening on an hourly. Very good, Tarson Black. Very good, Jay Parker, George, or Adam Knapp. Very good, Michael. Yep, 7s. It is. But we're on our 7th time. Oh, you said it was going to go up. Blah, 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 blah. Yep, I did. But it's the 7th time, and we're still, now I am not comfortable where this is at on the yellow line. Still not comfortable where this is at. This is too far away still, at least for US 30. Let me check NAS. NAS is much better, and it's already gone up, actually, so that's very much better. And then this is SPX. By too far away. See, this is when it touches the yellow line. That's perfection on the SPX 400. This is close. This really isn't close. See, oh, it's going to go up, and it will, but I would prefer it to dip down. Henceforth, let's pray for a closer pullback on 4-hour charts. So I'd rather enter this trade after this happens with the pullback. I'm just not comfortable. For whatever reasons, I don't like it. One of the reasons is 7 times buy stops, which, by the way, you can enter in. Feel free. You can put a little order in. Look at it dip down. So let's see. We'll go to the 1 hour. We'll go to the 4 hour. We'll go to the 1 hour. We'll go to the 30-minute. Nope, nope, nope. I guess if I had to choose on this one, I can put in a buy stop over here. Are we below the red line right there? I'm going to put it right between it. I'm not going to go that low. I'll put it right there. It's US 30. You for sure never want to get suckered into US 30. It'll eat you alive, boy. Let me see if we can see a little closer here. Yeah, this is my sell stop currently, so we're good on that on NAS. We're up 24 pips on that trade. So because of this scanner that Bri and I are giving to you guys for free, right, as an upgrade, you're up 24 pips. Because let me be clear on this. Because of this scanner, I'm up $2,400 this morning. Strictly because of this scanner that Bri and I gave to you guys for free, only if you're in the sniper or if you're in the scanner rooms. This is free. Make sure you record your sessions, by the way. You need to record your sessions. Okay? So strictly because you had US 30 below, and now we have NAS, now we have SPX, now we have NAS heading there. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. Strictly because of that, I'm up $2,400, $2,300, period. And this is called out live. This is traded live. This is done live. This is a trade I did with you guys this morning when I told you to fucking do it. Doesn't mean we don't have a buy stop in there. No. This is also going to be turning into a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. It is what it is. But that doesn't mean we can't make a little money on the way down. I don't know. I just need it closer. On all three of these indices, I need it closer to this yellow, just like it was over here, over here. I just need it closer. If I don't get this closer, and I see this wasn't exactly super close. Let me see if this one was closer on one of the others, though. We can run out of the, nope, it was not. Let me see SPX. You know, you guys trade how you're going to trade. I'm good. I'm up 600-700 pips on my one NAS buy. I'm playing this little sell right here. I just think we need to see it closer. Maybe it won't. Maybe it won't. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will never come back down to this yellow line. Maybe it'll arch up and come back up touch later on when this actually comes up. It's just such a slow one on the 4 hour, though. So slow. But boy, do we tag this one. Your 1 hour buy stop, if you'd have bought it on NAS, would have paid you about 60, 70 pips overnight. Let's go to SPX. Same for SPX. Go to US 30. Oh, shit. So that means our signal, I just thought of that. Hold on a second. The signal that was sent out, I know I'm rambling. I'm tired. The signal that was sent out this morning, let me, right here. Yeah. Our signal that was sent out, oh, where's he at? I hope he's sleeping, Sid. So the signal Sid has developed right here. Wow. Perfection. Sent 8 hours ago. 8 hours ago, 9 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 11 hours ago. Look at the signal. See, told you. We'll get this shit working. Thank you, Sid. So let's go ahead and take a look-see. The first time this should have been called out should have been about here, and it moved up there 10 hours ago. Holy shit. Look at that crap. It called out the US 30 and the NAS beautifully on the 1 hour. I hope Mike and my other brother, Mike, caught that. Look at that. It called it perfectly and caught it. Doop, doop, doop. Wow. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. All were in the money thanks to that. That is a signal service that's upcoming. Oh, Lord willing, if we get everything freaking working right on that, which is taking some time because it's very tricky, much more tricky than you guys realize. To do is we'll be offering for the first time in the history of my life a signal service. A signal service is going to be offered by me. Something like you have to have this. You have to have the system and the sniper, and like $100 a month, and then that's for the basic one. Then the, I guess 5 to maybe 7 symbols or something, 5 to 8 calls. I have no idea. $200 a month, unlimited, 300. But I'm not sure I'm going to do the unlimited. If I do that unlimited signal service, it's going to be for a select few. Probably the first, I don't even know, 20 people, because I don't want you all relying on my damn signals. I'm trying to teach you how to fish, but I want you to make money while you're learning how to fish, because so many of you get discouraged. I say about 20 to 30% of you give up because you're not making any money consistently. Well, I figured if I give you out signals that you can make money consistently while you're learning to trade, but I don't want you to rely on my signals in case something happens or whatever. You need to know how to trade for yourselves. Does that make sense to everybody? That I'm trying to provide the signals to get you money. Does that make sense? Yes or no? because I don't have to provide signals. Never have. I'm really not thrilled on the idea to do it. But if it would help you guys to make some money while you're learning the system, I guess I'm all for it. That's awesome. Good morning, Wognam. I believe that's Sai. Sai, is that you? Good morning, Richard Byzantine. You're awesome, Kev. Excited for the signals. Oh, okay. So you guys do want the signals because I'm just, it's half of me is like, good morning, Kent. I don't want to do it. 5-minute blue line is headed south. What's up, Omu Diallo? Good morning. Good morning, Omu. Good morning, Tim. No, I'm Tim Wong. Oh, okay. I get the last name reference there. It's so hard to keep track of everybody. Good morning, Julie Gaia. Good morning, Julia. Sorry if I slaughter your name every morning. Good morning, Kent again. Larry Cooper said, pick me. No, Larry. It'll probably be first come, first serve on that one. All right. So you guys all get it. Yes. Thank you, Bri, for your time and effort with this as well. All right. So, okay. So everyone gets it. They all want to, okay, that's fair. I'll do the signals then. I go back and forth and I'm like, do I want to show it? Then it's not really letting you guys learn how to trade. I don't know. I guess I'll just do it. Oh, whatever. I'm excited for it because Sid's making it work. I'll do the signals. The only thing I'm hesitant about is doing that $300 a month thing where it's unlimited. Definitely do the 100, 200. I can live with, sending out a trade or two. Each you guys make some money on it. That's awesome. Is it always going to work? No. This isn't the Holy Grail trade, which is coming, by the way. These are going to be 90, 95%, Lord willing, accurate, which hopefully is a good enough win rate for you guys to make a little money on. So no, is these going to be the 100%? No, absolutely not. The Holy Grail trade, something totally different. That's a trade that I've actually worked out now that never misses, but it only happens. I'm trying to get it to work on a smaller time frame, but right now it only happens once every 2 weeks, maybe. So it's just, I want it to be more active and 100% accurate. But right now it just doesn't, matter of fact, I could have called one out last week. It just doesn't happen that often. So I'm still fighting, trying to get the smaller time frames to work with the Holy Grail. But at any rate, we're good enough. Trust me. If I send out a signal, I'm taking that signal. And if I'm taking a signal, I hate to fucking lose. So if I send out a signal to you guys, you'll win, or you'll, as best I can make things, you'll win. Again, does that mean it's 100%? No, by any stretch of the imagination, it does not mean it's to be 100%. Does that mean it's going to be better than the professional traders at 63.5%? 100% fucking yes. My signals will be more accurate than professional trading 63%. If it's not, I'll stop the signal service. How about that? You have my word as a man that if my signals aren't more accurate than 63.5% as a professional trader is, I'll fucking stop the signals. That'd be an embarrassment to mankind. Holy shit. Better do better than that. I mean, everyone I think clicks, then I still struggle. Jason Roby. Yep, that's fine. Do it. Signals would be cool, but learning how to fish the way. I know, right, Kent? That's my point. Good morning, Moto. Morning, Tanny B. Oh, we're up to 86 people. Cool. If we can get a few more thumbs up, that'd be awesome. If we can get a few more people over to TikTok, that would be awesome. Larry Cooper says, we trust in you. Yeah. Well, I never, ever, I would hate to lose, I would never want to lose the trust you guys have built up. I've worked too hard for this. Every day, which may not sound like a lot to you, but if you think if I'm on here for 2-3 hours at a time, that's all we do to make this thing, work for you. Shit. Bri's got another answer for you. I'll tell you that. It's crazy. Okay. Currently we're in 1 minute sells. Oh, nice. It's dipping again. Nice. 27 pips. 27 pips on this trade. Bippo Boppo Bango. 27. That's really good. Very, very. We might be getting closer to our thing then. Hold on. Are we getting closer to our 4 line? No, we're not. We got a ways to fucking go. Oh, shit. Is US 30 getting closer? No, not really. See, this doesn't look like much to you guys, but let me give you a hint. From the price where it's at down to just the yellow line, let alone below it, watch. This is crazy how far. That's almost 200 pips. In between it, where it needs to go in the channel, is 300 pips down. Below the red line is 400 pips down. We needed to drop down to here somewhere before we re-enter. So we need the sell stop to just rock and go down, go down, go down. So that's why I'm calling it. That's why I wrote it out. We just need this. I'm not saying the buy stops on the 1 hour forwards didn't work. They just did. But I need a pullback that's closer. It needs to go closer. I'm sorry. I'm very non-aggressive when it comes to this. One of my brothers says it's crazy how safe I try to keep things. And I told him I just hate losing. I can't stand to lose. So unless this comes down and does perfection, yeah, see right here? This is perfection. This coming down on gold right now is perfection. So look, gold dipped down right here. This is, hold on, let me mark it for us. Right here. Gold dipped down right here on our 4 hour. And if you go to the 1 hour, watch how cool this is. I was showing my brothers this the other morning, and you can clearly see buy stop, by the way, and also a fill in the gap buy stop. No, it's a regular buy stop. And you can also see if we go down to the 15-minute right here. Yep, and there it is. And there's your buy stop right there, right before it happens with the pullback against the 5-minute, 15-minute, which is right there. Doop. So again, you can literally, without mistake, see what's happening. We can go here to our 4 hour, retrace right here, right? There's a retracement right here on the daily, but this is 4 hour. And then you can go to your 1 hour and clearly see where each time this is going to go. So gold is going down to form it for the second time. We've determined that the very first time is the best, but gold's going to go down here. Then it's going to hook and come back up again. So gold right now, if you look at it, is right. See, it's going down, going down, going down, going down. And there's 1 minute sell anyways. Should go down a little bit further, maybe, maybe not. And then you'll look for, it is 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop, by the way. And then you're going to see it hook. And then 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops forming. And it's the very first time for the 4 hour with the pink coming down, which is very important. Sid, if you're here, you rewatch this, please pay attention to this trade. Because now this is a 1 hour, 4 hour. This means to me that we still have a little further to go down. This is going to drop some more. Then it's going to hook. It's just, all this is forming right here. This is your 4 hour. Our logo starts here. Let's draw out the logo so everyone's clear. Come up, came down, regroup, boop, came back up. It's going to come down right to here, hook, and come back up again. So this is what it's going to do. Oh, but if you're right, that's why we use pending orders, because if it never would have came up this time over here, I would have never taken the trade. But it came up and we took, matter of fact, you saw me make, well, you didn't see the actual trades, but I was making money on my real knockouts on that buy stop. We were making a killing on that buy stop. Now it's coming down again. Now we're going to wait for it to bottom out. How do we know it bottoms out? Because you're going to see it hit its 5 minute. It's going to hook back up here. It's going to come down, hit its 15-minute sell. Then it's going to come up, hook down, and maybe go down to its 30-minute blue line. And then it's going to do its flip. Because once you hit those three like that, you'll see that it starts to change. Then you start dealing with, and if I think I pointed this out multiple times, but the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour are all one big trade. If you see a 1 minute buy stop, you'll see a 5 minute buy stop. You'll see a 15-minute buy stop. You'll see a 30-minute buy stop. You'll see a 1 hour buy stop. After that, then you're going to see the 4 hour daily, weekly, monthlies kick in. So for instance, if you were doing all these sells, but yet over here on a 4 hour, you saw a buy stop, well, then the 4 hour, it informed the 4 hour buy stop because of the 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute sell stops. So that's what you're seeing. And then there's a whole new group of money right here. The 4 hour daily, weekly, monthlies all run together. So then we see a 4 hour buy stop. right? But it's not there yet because you still see this is green. But then eventually you'll see this turn red or hook underneath. Then it will come down. Then you'll see it come down. Then you'll see it start to hook back up again. It's just they all interact. The 1 minute and the 1 hour all interact. The 4 hour daily, monthly then trade off of that. So they're just, I don't know how to word it other than they're all interconnected, and you'll just see it. It is so gorgeous to see. 1 minute sell stops, bingo. 5 minute sell stops, double bingo. How do you know? Because there's one right there. Boop, came up to the blue line. 5 minute sell stop, gold to blue line. I'm surprised Kim Harrington, she probably caught that. 15 minute. Now what's forming? We already had a 15 minute, but you're going to see the 15 minute. You're going to see this pull up, Lord willing, come up to the yellow red line, and then hook back down to its blue line. So you'll see a 15-minute sell stop to its blue line after the 5 minute went to its blue line, after the 1 hour, the 1 minute went to its blue line way back here. I don't know if you guys catch the symmetry or the beautifulness of what you're looking at, but the 1 minute happened with a sell stop. You can see them. 1 minute sell stop, broken gap, a broken box. 1 minute sell stop, 1 minute sell stop, 1 minute sell stop, right? Then you go, okay, well, what happened next? Then what happened next is 5 minute broken box, 5 minute regular sell stop. This is that little green dot, red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blue line. And I guarantee you, if we put a dot over this right here, you would see this clearly, either probably right after it, but you'll see over here an actual, there it is, broken box sell stop. Broken box means non-broken box right there, and that's what you do. Now I missed my rules. We have to go over the rules. All right, so so that's all this is doing. Then it's going to hook back up. It's going to form a 15-minute sell stop. I already did one. It's going to hook back up again, form a perfect sell stop. You'll see red, 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 green, red, red. You'll see the 5 minute blue line arch up against this 15-minute flat line, and it'll be a sell stop, and it will go down to the blue line right there. Then after the 15-minute sell stop, you should see the 30-minute sell stop also form after that. And then you get into the 1 hours, which I think you're going to see a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. And there it is. And it's the very first time it's happening for that buy stop right there on the 4 hour. And that's how you trade it. So it's just, everyone says the markets aren't whatever. Yeah, they're 100%. It's beautiful. Their AIs are limited to what they can do on the up and the down, and the system just sees it perfectly clear, crystal clear. But at any rate, that's just me, maybe. Good morning, user 39084. I don't know who you are. Let's see if we can see that. Glitterbug. Good morning, Glitterbug. Damn, 8 a.m. and already up 20 pips to run. Nice, Evan. Congratulations, Evan. Yay. Larry Cooper, we're all blessed by finding you in Bri. I'm glad you say that. Some people don't think that. DJ Arcos. Good morning, DJ. Good morning, EA8851. Matt. Good morning, Matt. Yeah. Matt, you should tell everybody what you did. Lord help us. I pray to God it works out for you and that you've been consistent on making your money. That's all I worry about, is consistently making your money, consistently making the right call. That's all. Good morning, Joe Dixon. Good morning, Harry. Yeah, a few more thumbs up would be great. And then a few more people on TikTok. Yeah, Harry, I'm on the TikTok live. Yep. And it sounds so much better on TikTok. It's fantastic. Thank you, Michael Moyan, for being on both. All right. I hope you all caught that explanation of how that all works. But I still haven't finished out how I did my trades. I did finish out all the 12 signals. So let's keep going. Good morning, Joseph Tamburino. Thank you for speaking up, and thank you for saying that. Thank you, Tank Dog, for telling people to put thumbs up. Patrick, there you are. What's up, Patrick? Good morning, Coach. Good morning, Patrick. How was your weekend, sir? Patrick, love Patrick. Good man. He takes more vacations than I do. Although me and Bri are going to start pegging out like 1 week to Italy, 1 week to wherever, just because, we're going to go out. Of course, it's going to help if we had our passports. Mine expired. And then we got new pictures and stuff. We just got to get the actual document. Also buy the system for all my new people. Absolutely, Tank Dog. Good morning, Malachi. Tried to load TikTok and getting this message. Something is wrong on our end. Oh, really? So TikTok isn't there. Let's take a look if I refresh it. Enjoy the time you are here. Amen to that, Patrick. Patrick, can you see me good on TikTok? Good morning, Brian Claus. Thank you for being on both. I just joined TikTok, says Brian Claus. Thank you, Brian. Farm Guy says, I see it. Yeah, I think it says it may take a while for this load to live. Try reloading or adjusting the video quality. Yeah, I see myself live, though. It's kind of weird. Yes, you're good on TikTok. Thank you, Tarson Black. Yeah, I thought so. Because usually if I don't see myself, then I know I'm screwed on there. All right. So hopefully y'all caught everything that I was trying to explain on how that whole thing flows, but maybe not. Now I'm going to go back to what and how I trade specifically in the mornings. Remember, the very first thing is what we're doing right now and catching all kinds of pips was to see. See, now look, we're above it now. I would look for sell stops again for NAS and SPX. We can go back there and look on the 1 minute. I would check my scanner. Then later on in the day, I'd be looking for buy stops to fill in this US 30. These were just 2 out of 3 were red just a second ago. And we all just made all kinds of money with SPX, and then we made money. Now, these are not long-term trades unless you have a runner open, then you can let it run, okay? So first, pray to God. Second, do all your physical stuff. Third, come into here, look at your scanner. Fourth, open up a 1 hour trade, a 1 hour here for US 30. Open up a 1 hour here for SPX. And we'll open up a 1 hour here for NAS. So I'm going to look at all of them. And what do I see? The only thing I'm looking for are 2 things. One is the blue line high or low. SPX, NAS, and US 30. Okay? So it's low on all 3. Number 2, is there any buy stops or sell stops? Accordingly, there's a buy stop here, especially on US 30. So that's cool. So when I do this, then I open the rules that I have. The rules are right here. Right here. So where are my rules at? Hold on one second. Yep, there they are. So rules are right here. I then confirm that our 1 hour is down low, which means either there's a sell stop coming on the 15-minute or there's a buy stop coming on the 1 hour. How do we? Okay, so then I'm going to go back over and I'll show you. We look for our logo, either a buy, green up arrow, or a red down arrow. Then we come over to here, and how do we find those arrows, our logos? A, B, C, D. Okay, D is just the confirmation. I'll show you what that is. And then I skim over, still to this day, even though I wrote my rules, say, hey, rules, how are you this morning? And I come over to here. And I say, do I see a 1 minute buy stop or sell stop? Yep. The scanner showed me that there was a 1 minute sell stop just by doing this. I said, okay, let me look at my little 1 minutes. And then I can go to the higher time frames, and I see that I have a 1 hour, 4 hour, but you have to keep checking your 1 minute, 5 minute to see if there's anything developing there, because the order in which safety trades develop are 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily, so on. You may open more than one safety trade at once, but don't get caught, especially on US 30. Don't get suckered into that, okay? So you can do a sell and you can do a buy. You can do these 1 minute sells, but keep in mind that there is a 1 hour buy stop ready to roll. So you can make money. We just made 25, 30 pips, just showed you it live. Okay. One safety trade is finished. How do you know it's finished? One of them will go to the 1 minute buys. It doesn't just magically happen unless there's some kind of news. Okay. As soon as the safety trade is entered, put in your stop loss at the pivot point. I don't care if you get tapped out. Put it slightly above the pivot point, but don't put it so far away you lose a shit ton of money, please. It's just not common sense at that point. Take profit, couple pips, get the fuck out of the trade, or open up more than one and let it run. Always move your buy stop or sell stop up or down when the trade is moving. That's what I get caught in. I'll still make money with you guys, but I can't trade with you and trade other things and trade other accounts and trade Nadex. And then what? I have to do all that while I'm helping you guys trade. It's really tricky. So I'm notorious for getting in trades a little too late, even though I could have made more money. Of course, the most important rule there is always thank God, always do good with your profits, and always have my back. So when I'm done with all those rules, right? I'm done with them. I then go back and implement them. I look for my green up, red down. So let's go ahead and do that now. We're going to put this over here. Boop. And now we're going to look. This is my 1 hour, remember, my 1 hour chart right here. So if I saw this low, then I have to go up to my, well, let's go down the 15-minute. See, the 15-minute was a sell stop right here. Boop. And there it was, and you would have made money. We did make money. Let me be clear. Sell stop right there, 15-minute, 1 hour. You can clearly see as a broken box sell stop. This is US 30 now. Yep, broken box sell stop. The red was over there. So it's a sell. But you said this is US 30 was a buy. If you go to 1 hour, 4 hour, it's a buy. But again, I've written it out. I've been whining about it for the last several days. I think at least Thursday, Friday, last night. Let's pray for a closer pullback on the 4 hour charts. I really, really, really want this to come down to touch the fucking yellow line or go below it so that I can open up a shit ton of options today and make a fucking shit ton of money. But we'll see. If it does, great. We'll make shit tons of money. If it doesn't, I'm not going to dive in heavy. I might do a buy stop or a long-term call option, whatever. But I'm not going to do 20. I'm just not. But it is what it is one of my brothers says. This is a 1 hour buy stop, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Doesn't mean this 15-minute wasn't valid. It was. It's a 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop. Let's look over here on NAS. The 1 hour. The 1 hour line right here is down low. So it tells me immediately we either have a 15-minute sell coming against this right here. So let's take a look, 15-minute. And we do. We have a 15-minute. It's not verified though, but it is a 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop. Let me write those down too, by the way. We just had one. 15-minute, 1 hour sell. Okay. And then we still have our 1 hour down low, 4 hour up high. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, NAS. I look at SPX, and what do I see? On SPX, I see the same 1 hour down low. So I go to the 15-minute. Oh, there's a 15-minute sell stop, but it isn't good as US 30 because we don't have a sell stop. If we go over to US 30, let's take a look. You have a sell stop with the broken box. That's why the US 30 is a better call, the 15-minute, than the NAS, than the SPX. Does that make sense to everybody? Let me get some answers here. 5-minute, 15-minute. We're not playing the 5-minute, 15 minutes. A very good call. Thank you, Johan Soez, for letting me know it works perfectly on both. Thank you. Good morning, Stefan. 087. All right. So sevens for yes, you understand that the US 30 15-minute 1 hour was a sell stop, and that NAS, nope, and SPX was a nope. You can clearly see these aren't sell stops. Sevens, yes. Nines, no. Yes, sevens. Thank you, Wong. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Monique. Thank you, Amy Lou. Okay. So that's why that worked the way it's working. So if we don't have a clear cut, let's just run through these again. Let's just use the 31 minute. So now I'm going to look at the 1 minute, nothing. Forming a sell. Let me see NAS real quick. Yeah, forming a sell stop. 1 minute sell stop NAS to the blue line. 1 minute sell stop SPX to the blue line, back to the blue line. 1 minute sell stop US 30. Okay. So that's a 1 minute. And it's a 1 minute, 5 minutes. Just an arch and hook up and come back down. 15-minute sell. We already had it. 30-minute buy. Not all the way down yet. Can't do it. 1 hour buy. Not there yet. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop US 30. So let's look at NAS. NAS 15-minute. Can't do it. 15-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, can't do it. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour buy. Okay, there you go. So 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, NAS. 5 minute And someone's just called this 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop NAS. That is true. 30-minute and 1 hour. See, we already had our 1 hour successfully, so it's going to reload again and put another 50 cal in there and shoot again. Shoot again. All right, and that's that. So SPX, 1 minute. Sell stop back to the blue line again. 5-minute. Nope. Can't call it. Can't call it 5-minute, 15 minutes, not flat. Can't call it 30-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. 1 minute sell. Technically, we can do some 15-minute sells, but just wait for the 1 hour, 4 hour buys. That's all. And if you don't want to do that, then just play these sells. Open one up, let it stay, blah, 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 do the routine. So that's how I read it. If I clearly see, and my favorites are the 15-minute, all beginners and everybody's having trouble with entries, should be doing only if you see a 15-minute, 1 hour sell or buy on all three indices. And clearly, if we go over here to US 30 and we go over to 1 hour, we bring US 30 over to here, we go to the 15-minute. This is clearly a, right? What is this? 15-minute, 1 hour sell. But you can clearly see you're in a 1 hour buy. So when you see this 1 hour buy, you come over here, make this your faster time frame, make this your 4 hour. And what do I see now? I see clearly a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop with the fill in the gap, which this red goes inside this little space right here. The only hold up I have is that the 4 hour isn't close enough. So call me stubborn, call me whatever. I would absolutely put my buy stop. Is this US 30? I'm going to go over to NAS. I'm going to put my buy stop on NAS. Let me zoom in a little bit too here. Yeah, that's a little. Let me go to maybe a 30-minute. Nope. See, that's what I mean. None of these entry points are exciting me. Maybe the 15-minute. Yeah, that's why he said the 15-minute. That's fine. You could have been in this trade if you wanted to. That's fine. But this 1 hour entry, I don't know what to tell you. It is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. I would do an option or two just to make $100, $200. I wouldn't play big money right now. I just would. I don't care if this motherfucking thing goes up 500 more pips. Yay me, I'll make more money, right? But I don't care. I'm not taking this trade because, again, it's just not close enough for my taste. It just isn't close enough. Now, if I can get one of the three to go down there, I'll take one of the three hard and heavy, but maybe it will never go down that close. I don't know. Maybe it just won't. I don't know. So I'm just going to wait, hang out, see what happens. Stick with my little sell I got. Good morning, Harris Tran. Good morning, Harris. Good morning, Steve Harris. Hey, that's funny. All right. Oh, let me see ERUSD again because I'm in that one. 1 minute buy. 15-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute. Damn, see, it's far away and it's 1 hour. I wish these sucking things would just pull back a little bit for us. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. But I just think we need to see a little pullback. Whatever. All right. I'm done rambling. Okay, questions from anybody? 7I. All right. Anybody have any questions? It's 8:21. I'll go check a few more symbols real quick for us, see if we can find something. One of the things I wanted to tell you about when we do the signal service, it's going to be kind of like we did with the scanners. Where the hell are my scanners? That's my scanners right here. We're going to start with just a few, but we're going to work our way up to just like we have in the scanner rooms. The signals are becoming huge. So when we do these, look how fucking cool. Keith Palmer is a fucking genius. I don't care what any of you say. Keith Palmer is amazing. Look at this NAS. So anywho, we're going to start with the 15-minute 1 hour signals, but then I'll be perfecting or getting as close to perfection I can. And with Sydney's genius of him programming it in so he can read these trades, we'll be having signals go out for ERUSD eventually, for all three indices that we trade regularly, for gold eventually. I'm assuming we'll have them for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP also. So you'll be able to see, you'll be getting signals, for initially the three indices, and then it'll break off into all things. Look at this scanner. So in other words, the scanner started out very simple. It was just reading a few things, blah, 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 wasn't doing a great job. And then you guys hung in there, and then we got it to read perfectly. And then we got it to read where it was not only just reading a few symbols, we got it to read over 100. Then we got it to read reading the 1 minute and the 5 minute, the two time frames, and then it reads the 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. So it's reading that perfectly. And then we got it to read trading to the blue line. It's absolute insanity what Keith is able to do with this. So there you go. There you go. If we have any news, I heard it was no news, but if there is any news, just stay out of the fucking market. Don't play it. Let's go. It does stocks too, by the way. Top 10 rooms. Top 10. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. USD CAD 1 minute. Buy stop. Not confirmed. Not going to the blue line. Sell stop. Euro Odge. GBBH. If you like to trade more than one symbol, I mean, this is absolutely this is the biggest, I can't even say the words I want to say, but this is a very big positive. This is $50 a month on top of your purchase of the actual system. But man, I'd be getting this just to have. I would get this. I don't care. $50 a month, $50 a month. Oh, I need $50 a month. Okay, fair enough. If you can't make trading $50 a month using this scanner, I don't know what to tell it to you. You might not want to trade. It tells you what to. It's trading. Keith has programmed this to trade sell stop 3. So this means this is a sell stop going towards this blue line, not confirmed on the 5 minute. This is what it's telling you. Sell stop 1. It was confirmed on the 5 minute going towards this blue line. Dash BTC. Now I don't know when this thing fired off. Alert time. Let's go to Dash. I don't even know what the fuck. Dash versus Bitcoin. Who the hell would trade that? Let's go over to Dash versus Bitcoin just for a second here. Humor me. I want to see something. German 30. Swear to God. All right. Was it Dash Bitcoin or some shit? Let's see. We're going to go over to our symbols. We're going to go to this one right there. And let's see what this looks like. Wow. Well, it must not be a heavily traded thing. Look at this shit. What the fuck is this shit? Oh, no, I did not just screw up my thing, did it? Okay, good. So the Dash Bitcoin is correct call, by the way. It correctly called it to the blue line. I wouldn't trade that shit thing. It must have no volume whatsoever. Oh, my goodness. What a shit-ass coin that is. Whatever. But it did make the correct call, and it was correct. Your 1 minute sell stops to the blue line are in the money on US 30. NAS is in the money again. Look at it go. Look at NAS fucking go to the blue line. Here's SPX. I'm sure it's the same thing. Yep, SPX is in the money. So how do we know that this is going to go down and touch the blue line yet again? Look at it. Let me go over to TradingView so you guys can get some real life thing. Right here. I'll answer your questions in just a second. All right, here we go. This is what it looks like on SPX. This is what it looks like on TradingView. And I know some of you hate TradingView, just like I got it. I'm getting used to it. It's old school, but it's still fucking gorgeous. You chart over here on TradingView. You can trade anywhere you want. Let's go down to the 1 minute and let's see what we see here. No, I think it was, wasn't it SPX, right? Let's see. All right. Yes, this was SPX. Here we go. So let's take a look at SPX. Look at this gorgeously, perfectly gorgeous trade. We're going to go to SPX here, and we're going to go to 30 seconds. Let's see what it looks like on 30 seconds. Yeah, Bach break versus a non-Bach break. Gorgeous, gorgeous. How does your garden grow? Look at this gorgeous thing. We're going to go over to here, SPX. We're going to go over here to a 1 minute. I'm just playing around a little bit. Sorry. Nope, don't like it. Yeah, no, not that. Yeah, there you go. This is it right here. All right. So you can do 30 second, 3 minutes. You can do 1 minute, 3 minutes. Either way, it's the same result for you because it's just that fucking good. Again, go to SPX. Again, go up here to 1 minute. All right. So let's take a look. This is how fucking cool SPX is. You have TradingView is. You have the 3 minute blue line down low right here. Boop. Right? You have the first time the pink's arching up, by the way. But then you have your number 2. We have our blue line arch up on the 1 minute right here. There's your 1 minute. Then number 3, we have our pink line arch up with it, which is perfection. Number 4, we have our sell stop. So let me show you how this would look without being able to see the future. Right? That's all this is. It's not a big movement. It's SPX, for the love of God. It is what it is. So we're just going to come right there. So let's take a look. We're going to block out the future because you can't see it. Boop, just like this. Oh, my screen's purple. What happened? Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. Okay. Take a look. And this right here is what you see. This is all you can see before we make our trade. 1, blue line flat. 2, blue line is arched up right here. 3, the pink line has come up with it. 4, there is a buy stop, which there is right here. Red, 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 green, red, red, a buy stop, a sell stop. You put your sell stop line in right underneath here, boop, and let's see what happens. It's going to the blue line, so this would be a SS1 actually. Boop, just like that. And there's your money. And there it is. It goes straight down. It goes, zoop. That's your price action. You can clearly see the future with it. Look, blue line up, blue line down, pink line up, sell stop. Zing. There it is. This one's better than all of them because it was going to the blue line, but I'll show you what this exact thing looks like on NAS. See, by the way, NAS is going to its blue line too. It just was closer on SPX, to be clear. Look, there's your sell stop to the blue line on NAS. There it is. Did it touch it? No. Did it get close enough for H&H, horseshoes and hand grenades? Yes. Look, sell stop, you'd enter it in, I don't know, either here or there, whatever. Oops, we have to go down to there. You'd have made 14 pips. 14 pips on that trade right there. There you go. By the way, it also happened on US 30 the same way. Is it as good? Pip-wise, probably, but look-wise, not so much. But it still worked perfectly. Sell, stop, you can make, well, but this isn't changes. They're all the same. Watch. US 30 is flat. NAS is flat. SPX is flat. You see that? So there you go. And that's it. And that's how it looks on TradingView. This is what you would get for your $575 is the TradingView. And here's your NAS again. Boop. Easy peasy, perfection. Okay? That's what you look for. Let's see if we can go to NAS 30 seconds. Yep, there it is. Broken Bach versus non-broken Bach, blue line up. This is the most superior thing you have about TradingView is you can go down to your 30-second charts. It's amazing. Boy, does it help out a lot when you're trying to do 1 minute, 5 minutes, that kind of thing. This is just golden for you. Golden. All right. I saw a question. D4 Eagles system's been on TradingView for months now. Yes, absolutely. It's on TradingView. Absolutely. Matter of fact, looks like MetaTrader 4 is having all kinds of shit trouble out there. So who knows if MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 is even going to be around. I think the U.S. government is overreaching and shutting things down left and right. Let's be clear. They haven't shut down Eagle FX. They haven't shut down Hugo's Way. They haven't shut down Pepperstone. They're just making it on Eagle FX where you can't be a new member from the United States of America. Next step is they're going to throw us all out, but I've already removed a shit ton of my money from Eagle FX just in case of that. Obviously, I still have some trading in there, but no, the vast majority of my money's out. Good morning, Ruben. Thank you, Timothy, for no news. Thank you, Mr. Noble, for no news. Morning, Steve Harris. The scanner has US 30 SPX 1 minute sells on one H&H. So this is your notification. Look for possible sell opportunity. I already went over that with you, Damien. That was done earlier this morning. Let me put this back over here. This is a scanner. The scanner has SPX and US 30 1 minute sells. An H&H scanner. Scanner has sells. So he's talking about the H&H. Let's go over to H&H then. I already told you this morning how to read this. Go back and rewatch the video. There's your 2 out of the 3. There's your NAS. It was told to do this because SPX already was a spinning arrow. Now it's back down to it again. And we'll do this probably 3-4 times, and eventually it'll start flipping around and come back up again. And if it doesn't, great. We keep making money. Gold just dropped. We'll take a look at gold in a second, but that's all. G thing. Can I look at, yeah, GJ. And gold. Let's take a look at gold first. Gold, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 15-minute blue line worked out nicely for you. Anyone at all? Gold, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute to the blue line. Look for any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute, 30-minute to the blue line. Did I not just use gold as my explanation for you guys? Now gold is looking ripe, boy. Now it has gone down to its 4 hour like I wanted it to. It's gone below it. That is gorgeous. I would put a sell stop, a buy stop right here and wait. Right here and wait for gold. And I'd move it down as it goes down, by the way. Buy stop gold. 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour gold. It's not done going down yet, so be careful. Just move it down as it goes down. We hit the 5 minute. We hit the one. I was just explaining that this morning again. 5 minute blue line was hit. 15-minute blue line is hit. I wish it would have arched up a little bit more like it did here, but whatever. 30-minute is heading there. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute gold sell stops to the 30-minute blue line. Just made a shit ton of money off the 15-minute call that I made earlier this morning, but whatever. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour is forming the 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Very first time. Yep. Let it do its little shit. Let it keep falling. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. I put my buy stop in right there. And yeah, I'm going to wait right there. I'll probably drop it down a little bit more as it falls, though. I like it. Beautiful little fall on. I specifically mentioned we wanted to go down here. It is down here. Boy, is that a tempting. I can get some options on that for the week anyways. Is it done? Is it done? No. Done 5 minute. No. 15-minute. 30-minute. 30-minute. No. 30-minute. 30-minute. 1 hour. No. 4 hour. Yes. 1 hour. 4 hour. 1 hour. 4 hour. 1 hour. 4 hour daily. 1 hour. 4 hour daily. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and open up one gold. Just one. I'm going to go over to my knockouts. I'll go over to commodities. It's going to make me log in and get his Nadex as douchey like that. I'm going to go over to knockouts. I'm going to go over commodities. I'm going to go over to gold. I'm going to go look for a little buy, just a singular one. I want to see what's a safe one, not too close to anything. Enough so I can be worthwhile to make me some money, however. Oh, hell no, I don't want any of that shit. Nope, not doing it. I'm going to do that middle one. I'm going to place that right there. Okay. So now we have another knockout in. All right. So now we're in those. All right. We'll just wait. Gives me a week for gold to rebound and come back up. I'm willing to wait. These are more for tagging purposes, just so I can see the trades. I used to do that a lot with 0.01 lot sizes. Let's see. Freedom for life. Sway is the way, Kev. Sway is the way. I don't know what that means, freedom for life. Waiting for the buys on gold now. Thank God. ES Mini. D4 Eagle says, yes, it's on TradingView. Yep. Thank you, Farm Guy, for speaking up. God bless you too, Shash. Actually, it broke right through. Oh, yeah. GJ. There. GBB JPY. GBB JPY right here. Let's take a look. Was a 1 minute buy. 5 minute sell forming. So I would think a little higher to go up. It's going to go up and touch the 15 minute, looks like, and hooks and come back down. It already went down. Oh, shit. Look at that beautiful 30 minute sell stop to the blue line. That would have been a 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop to the blue line. 30 minute blue line. Perfection personified right there. I really wouldn't play it after some move like that. There's really nothing to do. If you want me to call it, I guess, whatever. It's going to form a 1 hour. Yeah, it's going to form a 4 hour daily buy. GBB, JPY. I swear I could have went over this already. I know I did. Yeah, 1 minute buy. Forming a 5 minute, 15 minute sell, but it's bouncing off. It's too late. The 30 minute. Did I not call 30 minute 1 hour to the blue line sell? Anyone here when I made the call? It's in GBB, JPY. I could have swore I called 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop to the 30 minute blue line. Isn't that what I called? Anyone at all? Kent nailed that. Boom. Good morning, Jason. Rock the Bach. Good morning, Jason. I don't know, Johanna. Maybe I didn't make that call. What's up, Sign? Yeah, we're trading NASDAQ. What do you want to know about it? Say good morning first, by the way. Good morning, Botnator. Michael Moyan. Okay, I thought I did. Okay, cool. I'd have felt bad if I missed that call. It was pretty straightforward right there. Hey, Kev, what's the NAS callouts? Can't see all of your screen. What's up, Harry? Thank you, Michael. I guess Michael Mohan's the only one here. Thank you, Michael, for paying attention. All right. Let's see. The calls already made. What we're doing right here is we're looking for the pullback close to the 4 hour, which is 1 minute sell stops, which all happened, all in the money. And then favorites are 15 minute, 1 hour sell stops. But my favorite today is this one right here. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. I just want to, the 1 hour, 4 hours are funny like that. You have to get a better, in my opinion, you have to get a better pullback on the 1 hours, on the 4 hours for those 1 hours to be better. Now, has it come down close enough yet? No. Do I think it's still going to go down? I don't know. Been doing pretty good for me so far. 1 minute sell stop. 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop US 30. NAS, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop forming on NAS. Buy stop 15 minute. Yeah, and more importantly, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops, which was called out Thanks to Sid's genius. Sid, one of our coder fellas, real nice man. He called out the buy stop with our signal service that's upcoming. And for NAS and for US 30 and for SPX, all three made money. Now, we're not going to release the 1 hour, 4 hours at first. Those are going to be bonus free add-ons after the service is up. The first ones we're going to release are only going to be when all three form 15-minute 1 hour buys or sell. That's going to be your first. And then the second one will be hourly. Then we'll have one for Bitcoin. Then we're going to give out gold. And then we're going to include everything. And then they'll all be included for free upgrades once we get those rolling. They'll be coming out probably every few weeks, maybe every month. Oh, man. I'm tired. Oh. Okay. So no one on YouTube. Remember making that call out for gold. That's interesting. Well, thanks, Mike. Only person to pay attention out of fucking 150, 200 of you people was Michael Mahoyhan. Congratulations, Mike. That's funny. Okay, a few more thumbs up on YouTube. And if a few of you can run over to TikTok to watch, that'd be awesome. Oh, look at it go. Nice. Let me see the 15-minute Heron thing. Yeah. Yep. Just sit and wait. Sit and wait. Now, gold on the other hand. Gold on the other hand. Oh, I'm in the money. I'm in the money on that buy stop gold. $7, $9, $2, $5, $9, $12, $5, $12, $6. So I'm in the money on the gold buy. The option I just did, you can get rid of that if you like to. I don't know if anyone did a knockout or not. It's not much money, but again, I'm just tagging things to see how things respond. That's all. I'm not big into anything else. I just like to see it. Sell still in the money on NAS. Be ready for your buy stops to engage on all three indices 1 hours. To be honest with you, I don't even know where a good entrance is. I guess on US 30 you can put it on the red line. Just be careful with that. Let me see if NAS. I think NAS is, yeah, see, NAS is already too high. It's just too big. You probably have to go down to the 15-minute. Yeah, it's too late for SPX too. Someone called the 15-minute buys. Who was that? Yeah, 15-minute, 30-minute fill in the gap buys. You'd be in the money on those, on NAS and SPX. US 30, not so much. US 30 is a different one. That's why you see US 30 trailing on the 1 hour. Still a 1 hour buy, but it's just different. So someone called the NAS. Who called that NAS? Obozo Dia. Good morning, Obozo. Good morning, Mike J. All right, where is someone called? Does anyone remember who called that out? NAS. Oh, let me move up a little bit. Give me a second. Michael Stefani, step forward. Michael Stefani, step forward. That was me. Oh, there you are. That was me. I'm in the money. Woohoo! So right there, we're going to go ahead and that was me. I'm going to go ahead and tag his little thing right there. That was awesome. Nice call. Congratulations. Yay. Morning, Mike Moy. In the money on the NAS buy stop. Thank God. There you go. So again, everyone can make money. I'm in a NAS sell. I'm in a NAS buy. I'm in a, oh, you're in the money on the US 30 buy. You're in the money on the US 30 buy. Again, we were playing the sells. You're in the money. That's my in buy, by the way. I wasn't doing it off the 1 minute or 30-minute though. My entry's off the 1 hour. So you're in the money on your buy stop on US 30. You're in the money on Michael Stefani. Am I saying your name even close? I've only had the system for 1 week. Nice, Michael. So Michael's making calls for us correctly on the 15-minute NAS. Boop. There it is. And actually, SPX is the same. Boop. There it is. You'd have got in here, been up 3, 4, 5 pips, close one down, let one ride, called a runner. been in here maybe 20 pips. If you got in on the yellow, you'd be up about 15, 20 pips. US 30 is not the same. The US 30 is not the same. If you were going to take this buy stop, which you can, you'd have to do it off the 1 hour line. You'd have been in the money $680 or 68 pips. 6 pips. Okay. So there you go. So a person who's in the system 1 week can make the correct calls. If he can do it in a week, some of you have been with me a hell of a lot longer than a week. You guys can make the correct calls too. You guys like act shy. Yes, I'll rip on you if you don't say the right thing. But when he makes a correct call, he gets a standing O from me. Some of you are over here making calls like you've never even seen how to do a one safety trade in your life before. Yeah, I don't know who the hell is messaging in the Discord, but do not message in it. Thank you, Yogi876. Much appreciated. Thank you, Ryan, for being in the Discord and telling people to shut the fuck up and don't be in there. Appreciate it. All right. Next. All right. Let me see over here. Who just purchased? Someone just purchased. Congratulations and welcome, Jurgen Pineman. Jurgen Pineman. Welcome aboard, Jurgen. Welcome aboard, my friend. Oh, Johan. Yogi's me. Oh, nice, Johan. There's no chance of me remembering that. Oh, what's up, Jurgen? There he is. Everyone, please welcome Jurgen Pineman into our hopefully happy family trading family. I hate to use the word trading family, but whatever it is. Yeah, obviously you guys aren't my family, but yeah, we have a good little group going. We have a nice core of people. I would say about 400 people are very, very active in here. Everybody on TikTok, please welcome Jurgen. I'm sure I'm slaughtering his name. Thank you, Bob. Thank you, George. Thank you, Joanne. Thank you, Jason, for welcoming him. David. Michelle. Thank you, Michelle Glowinski, for welcoming him. Adam. Yep. Now, remember, we're all here to help everyone make money, but at the same time, you're responsible for your own trading. So we're teaching you how to fish. Oh, shit. I'm up $16 on that little option. Let's take a look at gold again. Let's see what gold is doing. Yep. And the reason being, if nothing else, even if this isn't a true buy, is that when it goes down, see, it goes down, touches the blue line, and it 90% of the time doesn't just keep bursting through it forever. It touches it and then arches back up against it. So even if I'm not in the 4-hour daily buy stop, which personally I think we are, is a 4-hour daily buy stop, I have all week for it to go over where it tipped at bottomed at. And so now I'm up $19, $21, $23, $17, $18. So yeah, I'm in the money on that buy. It was just an easy play. I didn't get 10 of them. I didn't get 20 of them. I'm not that confident of the trade. I'm just picking it out because I want to spot that, see how this does. I'll watch it the rest of the week, or at least for 2 or 3 days probably before, unless it's a lot of money that comes in there. I mean, if you start talking about making $130 per option contract, I'm going to take that money and run. Jurgen, you'll get your NDA in a couple hours. Can I do that right now? Hold on, let me see. I can maybe even do that on live. Let me see about that form. Okay. Now, sorry, trying to fulfill an order. While Bri's sleeping, I don't want to have to do everything when she gets up. And Carson doesn't come on until this evening, so we actually have a little helper. Yay. Let me see. Let me go over here. Give me just 1 second, guys. Let me go over here. Nope. There we go. All right. All right. Jurgen, you're actually in luck. I'm going to go ahead and send out your NDA myself if I can find my stupid little thing to connect into. Yep, there it is. Log in, really. All right, NDA. No, that's not what I want. I want my templates. Sign request. All right. Jurgen, there you go. I'm signing it. There we go. All set. You should have it in just a minute, Jurgen. All right, now where are we at? Need 20 people to head over to TikTok. Mike Moy is correct. Why has TikTok dropped so much? That's funny. Thank you, Mike Moy. We do need about 20 people over there. Otherwise, I'll stay on this one. It's Monday. Fuck it. I'll just stay on. Tuesday, though, I'm going to enforce it. Thank you, everybody, for welcoming him, by the way. All right. Now, sell NAS still in the money, but what's going on with that? Oh, where'd my little thing go? Let's see. Let's go over to NAS and see something. Gold. Beginning to like Kim Harrington, one of our members, loves it. Buy stop NAS. 5 minute. Should already be in it. It was called out by one of our members back here. You should already be up. Hold on, let me make a little more profit on that. Probably going to tap me out right here on this. You're in the money on your US 30 buy. You're in the money on your NAS buy. I'm assuming you're in the money on your SPX. Yes. You're in the money on the SPX buy. The NAS was called out by one of our members, Michael. And then, yeah, just beautiful. And there you go. And there you go. All right. Heading back here, by the way. So excited. And my system is made for beginners. Absolutely. Matter of fact, the one fellow who made the 15-minute 1 hour buy stop call was a beginner. 1 week old, had the system for 1 fucking week. Pretty funny. All right. Now, I think we're golden on everything like that there. We do have a new store opened up. Let me see if I can even find it. It's run through YouTube. It's a clothing and apparel store, but I don't know where the hell is it. Playlist, share, store, live, video, shorts. I don't know if it's even there. NDA signed. Awesome. Got it. Got you signed NDA. Now, I don't know. Where is the store? Oh, there it is. It's under my thing. Oh, no fucking way. Look, how cute is that? Now, I have no idea. I don't know what the quality's like. I haven't bought any myself. But under the homepage, the safetytrade.com, matter of fact, I'll get this up on TikTok by this time next week, Lord willing. Here it is. This is my channel. This is the home. We have 3.29 thousand subscribers. Yay, thank you guys. About 800 videos. Wow. Over a year, every trade I've ever made is live, blah, blah, blah. Go over to the store, though, and there she blows. Look, you can get little aprons. Oh, look how cute. Hats. Those are featured. I didn't feature them. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing with this store. But nonetheless, it's there. Now, I want to see everything. Where's everything? I don't want features. What is this? Oh. Oh, it brings you over to... No, I want to see all of it. You guys get some kind of discount thing. I have no idea. There it is. Now, I don't even know where this picture came from. Anyone knows about YouTube stores? I don't know how to change this background picture. I don't know how to change this video. I don't know how fucking any of this thing works. But at any rate, they have hundreds of products, though, you can get. Sorry, I'm not trying. I don't give a fuck if you get this shit. I'm just telling you it's available. Some people like the shirts, like the hats. You know what? I'm going to order my ass a tank top, actually. I'm going to see how good it is. Do they charge me too, I guess? I don't know. But anywho, so that's it. And there are tons of products. This is not all the products. I'm claiming bullshit on this. There's hundreds, like 90 something products. They have accessories. They have stickers. They have they have Christmas shit. Oh, like little stuffed animals. You can get a stuffed animal fucking safety trade. How fucking cute is that? Oh my goodness. You can get stickers, cuddle toys, aprons. I mean, they got a lot of stuff. Caps and hats. I think I'm going to get one that has, this is all white with the white logo, but I think I'm going to get one that has a black logo too with it. Mugs. Look how cute. All right, sorry, we'll get back to trading, but nonetheless. And again, I don't know. It's run by YouTube. I'm assuming it's good quality, but fuck, I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it is, and maybe it isn't. The buy stop to the blue lines in the money on US 30 a lot, actually. How much fucking money? It's got to be huge. Buy. Yes. Let me shut that one down. We're up $700. We took profit on the NAS. We're in the money on the buy on US 30. Look at go to the blue line as you're watching right now. Look at it go up before your very eyes. That trade was done live with you guys again right here. That is a live done trade again. We're up $587 on that trade. Yay. 5 pips. I'm going to lock in profit on that one. Just take it. There's no reason not to take your money and run. Buy stop on US 30s in the money. Obviously, the NAS is through the roof. Michael, one of our members, called this trade right here. You'd be up, I don't know, 25, 30 pips if you listen to Mike and not me. SPX, you're in the money. US 30, you're now in the money. Look. And I entered this off of our 1 hour. It was the 1 hour. Yep, you're in the money on the 1 hour. There you go. Awesome calls. What do we got? How much time left? We got about 28 minutes. So about 25. It's CN Tower. 20 people. Martar. It's Toronto CN Tower. I don't know what that means, Martar. All right. We need about 10 more people over to TikTok, please. The Real Safety Trade, Kevin Grego. 95 watching. Interesting. Oh, that's the Toronto CN Tower. Oh, thank you, Martar. What I'm saying is I don't know why that picture is there and I don't know how to change it. You follow what I'm saying? I don't know. I didn't put that picture there. I guess it's a stock picture from that place. I don't know how to change it, though. Look at that going up. Look at that going up. What are we up to now? 1,700. We just made 18 pips when I'm rambling around, not even paying attention to the trades. Look at that shit. 1,600, 1,700. Can we hear 1,800? 18 pips on a trade, pre-market open for like the third or fourth trade we did. We did the sells. We just did the buy to the blue line. See my entry right there? Boom, bingo. Actually, I entered off the 1 hour too, but there it is. Wow. This is a trade from Friday, 2 Fridays ago, actually. A buy stop in US on NAS 100 is up 660 pips. This is a 10-9 trade on gold, $121 an ounce. So those are those. I also have an option open. I'm in the money on 2 options now, the gold and that other one, whatever the hell that one was. What the hell is this one? My ERUSD. Let me take a look. ERUSD. ERUSD. Hold on a second, guys. I want to look at something. Oh, it's just farting around, ain't doing shit. 1 minute buy, 5 minute buy, 15 minute, 30 minute. Yeah, I'm good on that. I know what I was playing. I just wanted to see that pullback, but I don't know about that there now. I'm willing to take that one. We're just going to close that sucker right there. Let's go back into ERUSD. Forex, knockouts, EURUSD. Let's just see what we see right here. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's just not much money in these. Fuck. Got it. I'm in another option on ERUSD at this point. Let me see my US 30 again. Yeah. Hope it doesn't tap me. Hope it doesn't tap me. Hope it doesn't tap me. Fuck. Well, we'll just keep it there. If it taps us out, it taps us out. We'll make about 7 pips, maybe, whatever that is. 7, 6, 7 pips. Picture at your store. All right. Anyone on TikTok have any questions before market open? Anybody on YouTube have any questions before market open? Anybody? I know you guys are all scared to ask them because I rip you to pieces, but the reality is, if you ask a question that is group related in a positive way, I don't have an issue with it. So people can't even read. See, you want to know stuff that annoys me and why I get angry, and you guys wonder why? I literally have going live, please don't talk in until I'm done. And I had 2 fucking members right in the Discord. Wow. And then I had 2 correct. So thank you guys for correcting them. But come on, really? This is what you're doing at this point? You can't even follow simple instructions. That's funny. All right. How much time I have left? Do I have my alarm on for that? Okay, I do. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little something here. All right. USD JP hourly. Kev, which way you think SPX and NAS at 30 will go at open? We'll go over that as we get to open. I've already called out the trades, though. Oh, look, we're still going up. We're up over 20 pips, 21 pips. 21 pips. It didn't tap us on that buy. It came really, really close. 22 pips. Take your money and run, close down the trade, or don't. Your choice. Lock in profit a little bit higher. Let it run. You're in a 1 hour buy stop on US 30. Yep, in the money on all 3 indices now, all 3 knockouts now. Yay, us. Perfect. What do I think they're going to do at open? As we get closer, I'll show you what they're going to do at open. All right, let's go back over to our trading view. Let's go over here, open this up. Boop. Let's have a little fun, everybody. Let's see what we see, though. All right, we're on trading view. Yes, the indicators here. Just had someone ask this, kind of funny. 3 minute, 3 minutes rising, so we don't have a trade there. 1 minute. 1 minute is already up, so now we can go down to 30 seconds here. Let's just start with SPX and see what we see right here. All right. 15-second. Buy stop. Yep, 15:30, 30-second, 1 minute. All right. We're doing 30-second, 1 minute. That's a little insane. But it is what it is. Let's take a look, see and see. Let me see something right here real quick. Sorry. Nope. Okay. All right. Let's see something. We're just having some fun. Give me just 1 second. I'm going to find a couple of setups. I just want to look at them. There we go. I was on 15-minute, not 15-second. How funny is that shit? All right, now we're in the right ones. That's funny. Okay, now let's see what we got going on here. This is nuts. Let me go down to here and see something too. Sorry, just having a little fun right now. I'll be right with you guys. All right. Now let me see. Nope. And nope. Hold on. All right, I'm good. Sorry. All right, so let's take a look. We're going to go over to US 30 and see. US 30 and see. There's our buy stop. Buy stop to the blue line was right here. Where did this occur? Yeah, it worked. Wow. Let me make this a little smaller. Make this one a little bigger, actually. All right, so here we go. I'm just messing around with things, seeing how things look. 15 seconds. That's insane. Let me go ahead and go to 3 minutes. Let me go over here and go to 1 minute and see something. No, 5 minutes. No, it's going to have to be 15 then. No, 15 minute 30. Let me see NAS then. Hold on. Had to be NAS. Hold on. I'm just farting around. I like playing with TradingView because, boy, you can get so many different time frames. So many different. Yeah, there it is right there. Okay. All right. 15 minute on top. 5 minute on top. 15 minute on the bottom. Yeah, that was a perfect call, Naz. Beautiful call. I prefer the 15 minute in 1 hour though. So let's take a look at this and see what it looks like. Nope, can't call it. This is why that 1 hour, 4 hour is so powerful. You're going to have to wait. It is a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Is clearly seen right here. Last time I did it was right there. This time I did it right here. And it was earlier this morning and it was called out by Sid. He's working on the signals and he has an alert for that. And it worked out perfectly for that. So, yay. Great call on that, Sid. Awesome call on that. 33 pips. Ho, ho, ho. Let me go back down to US 30 real quick and see what we shall see on the 1 minute. Nice. The 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Wow. 33 pips. Wow. 29 pips, 33 pips up on that trade, by the way. This one right here. 27 pips, 28 pips, 29 pips. Yep, 29 pips. It was 30 pips just a second ago. Look, that trade right there. 31 pips. 31 pips on a trade pre-market open. Holy shit. Okay, get back to it. Sorry. Oh, all right. Where were we? 15-minute, 1 hours are the ones I love to look at. Those are the ones everyone should be trading with right here. And let me get over to here. But the 1 hour can't call it. So the one you can play then would be these 5-minute, 15-minute buys. We already did the 1 minute, 1 minute, 3-minute sells, 1 minute, 5-minute sells. Or you can wait for these 1 hour, 4 hours. And then you can do those right here. And those are your buys. Look at how pretty. It has better colors. You can zoom in and out. So TradingView has a lot of pluses. Boom, look at that. This is gorgeous. There it is. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, boom. Or if you were astute enough like Michael was, one of our new members, he caught the 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop on NAS. Boop. There she blows. Entry in the money. US 30, same thing. Boom. 30-minute, 1 hour. Yep, and these are 1 hour FARs. That's why I told you. That's why I was entering off the 1 hours. There it is. Up 30 pips again. That's fucking crazy. Wow. 3 lines. Don't ask in the Discord now. Oh, shit. Someone else is in the Discord? Can you remove one in settings? I'm trying to... Nice, Harris. Nice, Ken. Good morning, Ken. Good to see you this morning, Ken. Good morning, OG. Good morning, Candle Envy. CGC asked in Discord. Why does Sniper have 2 lines? Mine has 3. You should remove it. And CJ Steed, oh my God, for the love of God, you didn't type something in the Discord, did you? Please don't message in the Discord when I'm live. Please don't fucking message in the fucking Discord when I'm live. Am I clear? And you don't ask personal questions on here. Oh my God. Mr. Sky. What's up, Mr. Sky? Wow. That's when I have to wait till he's done. Have made it simpler. Correct. What's up, Rando's house? It was a fantastic weekend. Fantastic. My cousin came in from Ohio. He's visiting. Oh, just a fantastic weekend. Me and Bri had a blast. Went out to eat a couple times. Just fucking awesome. Awesome. All right. Sorry, I was getting a little carried away with TradingView. TradingView is fun, though. TradingView is fun. You can have a lot of good memories here in TradingView for real. Definitely. Absolutely. Good morning, guys. 15-minute, 1 hour GBP USD. And how about this, CJ Steed? How about you actually look at the fucking type form that was sent to you when you bought it? How about that, CJ? That way you take responsibility for your own actions. You don't have to fucking ask a question on my live that's for a simple one personal answer. And you don't have to go into Discord while I'm live either. Disrupting me twice. You know, I really should take him out. Wow. You have a type form that's been updated at least 10 times since you bought the Sniper. It's in the type form. Wow. Some people are rude and inconsiderate, and I'm going to say it as nicely as I can. Don't be doing that fucking shit when I'm on my lives. Wow. Buy stop 1 minute US 30. Buy stop NAS 1 minute. SPX is probably a little too late. Buy stop SPX, but you're already in the money if you took the trade. Yeah, I'm not going to enforce the 50 people today on Monday over there on TikTok. I don't really care, to be very frank about it. Now I'll be live, Lord willing, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday mornings and evenings, but I will not be live Thursday and Friday for the open. I won't be here for the open. I'll be on earlier, but I will not be here for the open. Matthew Daly. The charts we're looking at now is the 575 sniper system is also. Yes, this is showing your sniper down here, and you do not get it. It's $150 a month extra to get that bottom box. You see that right there? You see that right there? Let me be fucking clear, clear as crystal. Clear as crystal. You do not get the sniper included for 575. As a matter of factly, let's head on over because some person over the weekend said, hey, and I won't call out his name at this point. Hey, what is blah, blah, blah? Because you show da, 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 da. Well, let's learn about the system. We come over to here. I swear to God, people, they try to nitpick every fucking thing you do. The Sage Trade system is on TradingView only. Read about it. You see all this? Read it. Read it. Are you reading it? We repeat ourselves. It's a non-auto draw. It tells you what to do. If there's somewhere in there where it says you receive the sniper system add-on for free, I really hope one person in here can tell me that, okay? Because I don't see it. 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 So for people out there that are ignorant and can't read, well, I can't really help you. Buy stop 1 minute SPX. Buy stop 1 minute SPX. So there you go. Thank you, Affy Marmot. So no, it doesn't, says Affy. Correct. Buy stop 1 minute SPX. Buy stop 1 minute NAS. Buy stop 1 minute US 30. 5 minute sell stop US 30. 5 minute sell stop US 30. 1 hour buy stop US 30. This is what I'd like to see happen at open, just so we're all on the same page. What I would like to see at open. Is it going to do this? Well, if it's really nice to me, it will do this. All right. This is what we want to see it open in about 7-8 minutes. Right here. We want to see it open. And I want it to do this. Form our logo. I want to come up, come back down to here, hook, and come back up again. That's what I want to see happen. These are 4-hour charts. For whatever reasons, it's not pulling down, not on NAS, not on SPX, and not as US 30. I am unhappy with that. Now on gold, on the other hand, look at gold. It's done perfectly. Gold is done perfectly. Gold is exactly on the 4-hour what I want US 30. Let me move this out of the way. Get this really out of the way. What I want US 30 to do. Gold is done perfectly what I want NAS to do. Gold has done perfectly on its 4-hour what I want SPX to do on its thing. Please type a 7 if you understand that I want what gold is doing to happen on US 30 and to happen on NAS and to happen on SPX. You can clearly see it. Gold has gone down on its 4-hour. Thank you, Martar, Michelle Galinsky, Wong, Amy Lou, Michelle Harris, Adam. Okay, there's a few of you out there. I'm glad there's a few of you still awake and not falling asleep from my boringness. Sorry, I'm so boring this morning. I'm just a little tired. So this is what you want. We need the pullback to happen. Now, will it? I don't fucking know. If it happens, we'll all be rich. If it doesn't happen, I don't know what to tell you. 1 minute buy stop, US 30. 5 minute sell stop, US 30. 1 hour buy stop, US 30. And you already made money on the buy stop twice this morning. You made 50, 60 pips, and then we were up 30 here just a second ago. 30. So what do I want to have open at open? I want this shit to fall down like a rock so we can get in later on a buy. Right now, I can't call that. US 30, buy stop 1 minute. NAS, buy stop 1 minute. SPX, buy stop. Now, unofficially, I'm going to write this out for you so you guys are clear. You can play these if you want. We did play these early. 1 minute sell stops because that's what we want. We want to see this shit drop down below their 1 minute lines. I want to see this shit go down to their 5 minute lines down there somewhere. But in reality, I don't always get what I want. So it is what it is. Clearly see 1 minute buys, 5 minute sells, or just stay out of the whole fucking mess of that shit and go with one hour buys. That's it. That's what you get right there. So if you don't like the 1 minutes, don't play them. When market open happens here in just a few minutes. Matter of fact, I'm going to get up for it. You're going to see a hopefully some big movements. We ain't seen shit today. Oh, so hopefully we see some big movements. All right, I got my back scratcher in hand. Training was great earlier. I explained the time frames. I'm glad you liked it, Adam. Very glad you liked it.